Morning, grade 4. My name is Masnada. And today we will talk about the review about digits, numbers, and nominal. Let's start. What is the definition of each of them? First, we will talk about the digit. Okay, what is the digit? Digit is a single symbol. Okay, would like what? Any number start from 0 and end with the 9. So all of the numbers 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9. We will call this numbers a digit. We will call what? A digit. So when I ask you number 5, what is the number 5? It's a digit. It's what? It's a digit. 5 is a digit. Okay, when I say 8, it's a digit also. Okay, if I write 7 in a letters, is it a digit? No, it's a wrong. It must be a number. It must be what? A number, not add a letters. So when I write a digit as a number, like 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, as a number, so it's a digit. Okay, can be as a letters? No, it can't be. So 7 in letters is not a digit. Okay, if I write 2, 2 is a digit? No, it's not a digit. So it's a wrong. When I write 2 like that, it's a digit. So any digit wrote it in numbers, it will call what? A digit. Any numbers as a letters, it's not a digit. Okay, let's go to the second one. Now we will talk about the number. What is the number? Is a count or a quantity? Like what? I will start the number from digits. Okay, let's start. We can say 1 digit. We say it's not a now. 5 is a digit. Okay, yes, it's 1 digit. It's called, so 5 is a digit and can say it's a number. So 5 or 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 is also a number. So now we get information that 5 is a digit, as a digit, and 5 is a number. Okay, that's it. Okay, and what also? It can be 2 digits. Like what? Like for example 12. It's also 2 digits. It consists from 2 digits, 1 and 2, so it's a number. Okay, we can say also what? 3 digits. Like what? 100. 1 is a digit, 0 is a digit, and 000 is a digit. So also it's a number. We can say 4 digits. We can say 5 digits. So all the number you get a big numbers, it's also a number. When I say, for example, 6 digit also, it's a number. 5, 6, 3, 2, 1, 0. This is 563,210 is a number. Is it a digit? No, it's not a digit. It consists from 6 digits, but it's not a digit. Okay? This is about the number. Go to that last one. It's a numeral. What is the numeral? Numeral is a single symbol or name that stands from a number. Like what? We will make 2 teams. The first team, it's about 584 and 7,000. Okay, 5 is a digit and number. What about the numeral? It's also a numeral. So 5 is a digit and number, and also is a numeral. Is what is a numeral? So all of these numbers, grade 4, is a digit and number and numeral. Okay, what about the 84? 84, it's a number. Yes, it's a number and also is a numeral. Okay, 7,000 also is a number, Miss Nada. Yes, it's a number and a numeral. So all of the number is a numeral. All of that digit is a numeral. Okay, there's another kind. What is the another kind? We have a letters. You didn't talk about it. Yes, all of the letters except it will be, a numeral only. What do you mean? Like when I write 5 in letters, it will be a numeral. Just it will not be a digit or a number because it's a letter. Okay, if it's I say 84, 84 also it's a letters, so it will be a numeral. What about the 7,000 in letters? It's also only, it will be a numeral. So it can be number, it will be only a number. Okay, let's take some exercise about this one. Let's start. We have write each number in the appropriate column. Some numbers may belong to more than one column. Okay. They ask you here a 7. What about the 7? Yes, excellent. It will be a digit and a number and a numeral. Okay, what about the 25? It consists from 2 digits, so it will be a number. Very good. What about the numeral? It's also a numeral. What about the 5 in letters? We say that it's a numeral only because it's a letters. Very good. What about the 3? It's a digit and a numeral and a number. Very good. What about 256? It's a digit. No. Very good. It's a number and it's a numeral. And 73 as a letter is letters, it will be a numeral. Very good. Let's take some notes. The number is an idea. You can do any numbers you want. I will say, for example, it's a 374. What about it? It's a number. I can make any numbers I want. Okay, the number is how we write it. Okay, how we wrote or write the numbers as a letters, as a number, as a digit. What do you want or what do you like? Okay, now here he asks you something that's very important. He asks you all the digits, What's it? All the digits. It's a 0, it's a started from 0 up to 9, it's a numbers. You say, okay, what about the all numbers are a digit? No, he asks you all the numbers is not a digit. I can say 39 is a digit. It's only a number and a number. But I can say that 9 is a number. 9 is a number. But 39, it's not a digit. Okay. Another one. We ask you that all digits and the number can call the numeral. So we have a digit and the numbers is a numeral. That means, for example, if I say 8 or 7 or 3, and here if I call the 29 713, this is the numbers and this is the digits. All of these is a numeral. Okay, let's go to the second. Let's remember something is very important. Now I will talk about the smallest digits. Okay, If I ask you, what about the one-digit number, smallest one-digit number, it will be a 0. What about the two-digit? It will be 1 and put the 0. Okay, I can say, Miss Nada, what is the first number is the smallest number is a 0. I will write a 0 and 1. Wrong. When I read this number, I will read it as a 1. So 1 is a one digit. What about the 0? 0 will bring down. So that means there is no meaning for the 0. So I will make 1 and I will put a 0. This is a very important. When I ask you about the smallest digit, I can say 0, 1. I will write 1. After that, I will put 0. If I put 0 first and 1, 0 will go down. That means it will be 1 only. So it will be a wrong because I ask you, I need the two digits. Okay. Let's go to the third one. We have a three-digit number, that's 100. What about four-digit numbers? It's 1000. So I will add a 1 and I will put a 1 and add only a 0. Do you see? We have always adding a 0. So I have a 5 digit, I will add a 0. I have a 6 digit, so I will add a 0. It will be 100,000. Okay, let's go to the greatest number. When I ask you the greatest number, what is the greatest number in your digit? We will start with the 0, it's a small, and the greatest one is a 9. So the greatest number we have it is a 9. Okay. Okay, what about the two-digit number? I will add also 9, so it will be 99. When I say three-digit, it will be 999. When I ask you about the four-digit, it will be 9,999. So I always add a 9 to get a big digit. So 5-digit number, I will add also 9, so it will be 999,999. And if I ask you 6 digits, it will be 999,999. If I add also a 1 digit, it will be 9,999,999. So always I add what? 9. Let's go to the second slide. Example. Now we have here, we ask you, I have this number. We have 85,327. I need to remember how we can read the number. If I write the number as 9, 8, 5, 3, 2, and 7, I will start from the right. The number is very big. So I will cut the number to be easy to read. Okay, so I will start 1, 2, 3. So I will put a comma here. How we can read the number? I will start to read from the left. So I will read all of these numbers. I will read the first number. So what is the first? 85. 85 what? 85,000. So this is the family of the thousand. So it will be 85,000. Okay, what about the rest of the numbers? It will be 327. So I will read all the numbers together. So it will be 85,327. Let's see the place value of each of the number. I will start from the 7. 7 is a ones. It's what? The place value is a ones. What about the 2? It's a tens. Do you remember now? What about the 3? It's 100. So we have 100. What about the 5? 5 is 1,000. Okay, what about 8? It's a 10,000. We get all of these in the previous year. So I remember you about these numbers or the place value. So 7 is a ones, 2 is a tens, 3 is a 100, and the 5 is a 1,000, and the last one we have 8 is a 10,000. Let's take another example. Now, can you help me to read this number first? Yes, I will put a comma after the digit. So it will be the first we will read this family. So this is a family of 1,000. So it will be 675,000. Don't forget the family of the numbers. After that, we have 348. So again, 675,000 and we have 348. Let's see the question. Now we need to put each number. What about the 6? 6 is what? 6 is a digit. The place value of the 6 is 100,000. I don't forget my family. So it's 100 of the 1,000. What is the value? I will look at the numbers before the 6. How many numbers do you have before the 6? We have 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. So all of these I will convert it to zeros. So 6 and I have 5 zeros. So the number will be 600,000. Okay, what about the 7? 7 is the place value of the 7 is what? Is a tens. Okay, tens of 4. What is the family? It's 10,000. So how many zero we have before the 7? We have 1, 2, right as this is so 1, 2, 3, 4. So we have a 4 zeros before the 7, so it will be 70,000. Okay. What about the 5? 5 is 1,000. Okay, how many zero for the 1,000? We have a 3 0. And what about the 3? It's a 300. So the family or the place value is 100. What about the value? The value is 300 with a 2 0. What about the 4? 4 is a tens. How many zero? We have only 1 0. And the last one, it's 8. It's a ones and it's a poor, so it doesn't has any zeros. Let's go to the second slide. Okay. How can you read a 5-digit numbers? We have 89. We have 8, number 8 and 9 and 4 and 5 and 7. So I will help you again to read the number. So I say we will break my numbers into families. After 3 digits, I will put a comma. So 1, 2, 3, I put a comma between the numbers. I will start to read these numbers. What is this number? This is 89. 89,000. What about the rest of the numbers? It's a 457. Okay, let's go to the second. Okay, he asked you to digit the numbers. So it will be here. This is 89,000 and we have 457. So it will be 89,457. Let's take the second one. In the following number, we have 372,865. So I will what? I will read the number. How we can read the number? I will break the number. After 3-digit number, I will put a comma. So 1, 2, 3, I will put a comma here. So now I can read my number. Yes, I will read 3 by 3. So 370 is 72,000. This is the family of 1,000. And we have 865. Now in this table, we have a family and we have a sons. This is the family. This is a family. This is a family. Once is a family and 1,000 is a family. Each family has 3 sons. For the ones, the first number, it's called the ones, and we have tens and we have 1,000. So in each family, we have 3 sons. The first one, it will be the same name of the family, and the rest of the numbers or the place value, it will be tens and hundreds. So we have here 1,000. So the first one also it will be ones, or we called it 1,000 like his family or his dad. So it will be also 1,000. While here it will be 7, it's a 10,000. I will read the number with the 1,000, and the 3, it will be 100 and 1,000. Okay, what about here? So 5 is a once. This is the place value of the numbers, and this is the value. Be careful when I say place value, I need to write the place value. What is the place of this with the letters? Okay, when I say value, I need with the 0. So it's a ones, it's a tens for 6, and 100 for 8, and 1,000 for 2, and 10,000 for 7, and 100,000 for 3. So in the value, we have here a 5, we have here a 60, we have here 800, and we have here what? 2,000, and we have here 70,000, and the last one we have 300,000. Let's go. Okay, now we will create a numbers. Okay, right here the greatest and the smallest number that we formed from the cards. We have a cards here. We have a 0, we have 8, we have 4, we have 9, and we have a 7. I need the greatest. What is the greatest number from these? Very good. We have a 9, it's the greatest digit. After that, we have 8, and we have 7, and we have 4, and the last one, we have a 0. So I create. Okay, what about the smallest? Can you ask me which one is the smallest? Yes, it's a 0, but I will not start with this number because I tell you before that 0, it will bring down. Okay, so I need to start with the smallest number from here, these numbers. So it will be 4. After that, I will write a 0. So 4, 0. After that, we have 7, 8, and 9. So the number will be 40,789. Okay, let's go to the exercise. The greatest number and the smallest number that can be formed from the digits, we have a 5, 7, 9, 0, and 1. Let's go to the greatest number. We have a 9, and we have after that 7, 5, 1, 0. So it will be 97,510. For the smallest one, we will start with very good 1, after that 0, 5, 7, 9. Let's take another example. Now write the place value of the digit 3 in each of the following. Okay, let's see what is the place value of each 3 in the question. Number A, we ask you here, where is 3? Let's read the number 545,223. So 3 here is a what? It's a ones. What about here? Number B, after 3 digits, so 423,500. So 3 here is what? This is the ones, tens, hundred, this is the thousand. So we have 1,000. What about the number C? C here, after 3 number, we will put a comma. So it will be 2,045. Okay, 12,045. No, there is no zeros here, so we don't have a 0. Number D, we have here 23,466. So 3 here is what? It's also 1,000. Okay, and the last one we have here what? 25,124. So we don't have any 3 here, so we will ignore it. Okay, here we ask you circle the appropriate symbol to compare numbers. Okay, we need to compare the numbers. Let's see. First thing, you need to know it to count the numbers. How many numbers do you have in each one? Here we have a 5 and here a 5. So I will start with the left. We have 5, we have 4. So the greatest number is a 5. Let's see here. Here is a 5 digits and here is a 6. So it will be the 6 digits, the greatest. Here we have a 5 and here we have a 5. So I will start to see we have 5 here and we have 5. We have 6 and we have 0. So 6 is a great. What about the last one? It's a 4,500. So it's equal. Okay, let's talk about the place value and the value. You will here cut the numbers. So can you read the number with me? It's a 97,324. So 9 is a value, is a 90,000 with the place value is 10,000. 7 is a 7,000 and it's 1,000. So 3 is a 300 with 100. And 2 is a 20 with the tens, and the last one we have a 3 is a 4 is a ones. This we called it a standard form. When I say write the number as a standard form, you have to write it as a numbers or digits. Okay, let's see the second one. He asks you the expanded form. What is the expanded form? I will write all the numbers as a letter, as a value. So what is the value of 9? It will be 90,000. So I will write the numbers plus 7,000 plus what? 300 plus 20 plus 4. So I write all the value. I will look for the 9 and how many does we have 4, so I put a 4. I will look at the 7, so how many? It's a 3, so I will put a 3. I will look at the 3, so have two numbers, so I will put 2 0. And like that, okay? Let's go. Write in a letters. Okay, letters. Okay, we have here 78,324. So I will wrote it as a letters. How we can wrote it as a letters? I will start with this family. So I will read 78. What is the family? Is 1,000. Okay. After that, I will put a comma. So I will look at the second family. It's a 300 and 24. Okay, that's it. So now we know how we can write the numbers. Let's take some exercise about this one. Let's play. Okay. Okay, let's see the question. He asks you which of these numbers is a digit. Okay, which numbers? It's a 6 is a digit. Very good. Another one. We have 1 also. Okay, 0. It's a wrong because it's a letter. So we will take another one. It's 8. Another one, we have 2. It's correct. And we have a 4. There is another one. There is a 4 here, but it's a letter, so it's a wrong. Okay, let's take another activity. We will choose here a number. For example, I will choose number 2. We ask you the value of 7 is what? Here, 7 is a what? Is a 7,000? Do you see? No, it's wrong because it's a 7. There is a 40 and here we have a 3. So it's a false. It's a 70,000. So it will be false. Very good. Let's take another one. We will take 28. Okay. Write the greatest number from the number can be formed from the digit. We have all of these numbers 4, 7, 3, 0, and 2. So the greatest it will be 7, 4, 3, 2, and the last one we have a 0. So it's a correct one. Very good. So it will be 74,320. let's take number 5. 9 is a digit or number or numeral. 9 is a numeral only because it's as a letters. If I say 9 as a digit, it will be digit and number. Now it's a letters, so it will be what as a digit, as a number. So it's a number. That's it. We talk about the digit and numbers and numeral and how we can read the numbers. What about the value and the place value? Thank you for the listening. See you soon.